Hey guys, welcome back to my toy video, and today we're gonna be opening the Cookies Bakery one. And this is what we need to use. Like, I don't want to know what it is, but I want this key card to open this book. You guys don't notice because I didn't make this video of doing this. Look, it's very cute. Oh, sorry. So today we're going to be opening another one. Yes, I got it. Okay, so what we're going to do. Fine, we're going to open. I'm going to open like crazy, guys. No, I won't. Okay, this seems hard. Okay, I did that part. This part. Yes, I remember. Oh, this is it? Okay, that's easy. That was easy. Okay, remember what we need to use to open. I don't need anything, guys. I need to get something, wait. Oh, we gotta fold. Material to help us open is this thing. I don't really use this kind of stuff, but kind of sharp over here. I don't think it's gonna break, so I don't know. It's not really working, but I'll try my best. I think my mom should help. Okay, I think we're gonna change size. Okay, this works. Okay, we're gonna open this pack. Okay, opening. Oh, sorry. Okay, what do we need to do? Okay, and they have this. I wonder what it is. It's gonna be pancake, right? It's gonna be pancake, guys. At least we are. I hope we are. We didn't get the waffle, guys. We're getting this one. I'm sure for sure. But we're not gonna get any of the ultra rare or ultra rare. We're only gonna get the commons, guys. Look. Okay. I'll get this one. Today's. Yeah, I knew it. We're gonna get the pancake one. That's okay. Right? 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 How did I pick that? Okay, I'm good. Okay, we get the pancake. It's very cute. Weird. I don't like the smell. What are these? It's very cute, guys. And we get this one, Pan Kitty, a Pan Kitty. It's worse than this one. Guys, it's super worse than this one. It's more worse. Well, never went out of luck. Okay, guys, I think we ran out of luck. Sorry. I want to get a shamrock right now. Or clover. I want to get the good luck. Okay, we got the Pan Kitty. This is the pud. This is the, what is this thing? Putty and Jam Tiger. Okay. This is a panda and in chocolate. Guys, it's strawberry. What is this language? Unicorn tart. I can read this very easy. Strudel puddle. Blueberry bunny. I really want to some of these. I don't really like these. I really wanted some of these. We ran out of luck.
Okay, finish.
Okay, let's make the cookies. Let's make the big oven this next video. We're gonna make the big oven, okay? See what we get. I don't know. But bye guys!